Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin made multi-week highs as altcoins jumped, and Solana staking ETF and ecosystem metrics shone. Bitcoin topped $109,316 alongside a nearly 8% rise in Ethereum, around $2,591, and over 8% gains in Dogecoin. Memecoin SPX 6900 surged 12%, even as $281 million in shorts were liquidated, and over $15 billion of open interest was erased. Ethereum core developer Zach Cole launched the Ethereum Community Foundation at the July 2nd conference to target a price of $10,000 by funding education outreach and infrastructure projects that the Ethereum Foundation had not addressed. The existing foundation responded with new leadership and plans to lend ETH for stablecoin liquidity. Ripple struck a partnership with a MENA bank in Switzerland to bring RLUSD under FINMA oversight and applied to the OCC for a national bank charter. RLUSD now joins other approvals in New York and Dubai, and Ripple Standard Custody has applied for a Federal Reserve master account. Solana again stole the spotlight when the Rex Osprey Solana staking ETF debuted on June 2nd, with $12 million of inflows and $33 million in volume, boosting SOL to $153. A Helios report confirmed Solana led real economic value and DEX volume in the first half of this year, with real value surpassing $550 million. DeFi Development Corp expanded its convertible notes offering to $112 million, allocating $75 million to a prepaid forward stock purchase, and the rest towards Solana acquisitions and share repurchases before predicted ETF approvals. The treasury firm already holds over 620,000 SOL and secured a $5 billion equity line. Coinbase made its fifth acquisition this year, by buying Liquify to integrate token management into its base network and prime brokerage, enhancing legal and compliance support for early-stage projects. The SEC paused Grayscale conversion of its digital large-cap fund, containing XRP, Solana and Cardano, while analysts await clearer ETF guidelines. Meanwhile, OpenAI disavowed Robinhood tokenized OpenAI and SpaceX stocks on Arbitrum, warning they represent no equity, and legal experts foresee regulatory pushback. Institutional adoption grew, with Cartwright pension trusts reporting a 60% return on a 3% Bitcoin allocation and launching an annual Bitcoin review. Arthur Hayes suggested US banks could unlock over $6 trillion in treasury bill buying power by issuing stablecoins like hackers, modding levels in the original Doom. The IMF rejected Pakistan plan to subsidize power for crypto mining, citing market distortion and circular debt. On the legal front, developers of the ICE Block app faced DOJ threats after alerts on ICE raids, and a Judge green-lit Celsius $4 billion lawsuit against Tether over collateral liquidations. Peter Thiel and allies filed for a charter to form Erebor Bank to serve crypto and AI startups. Crypto VC funding dipped 22% in the second quarter to $4.5 billion, though year-to-date totals exceed $10 billion. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you are feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.